Why does Ops combine disparate baseball metrics? Imagine trying to judge a player's overall batting skill with just one number. It might seem simple, but baseball is a game of many different skills. That's why combining two key stats makes sense. Ops, or on base plus slugging, brings together two different ways players contribute at the plate. One part is on base percentage, which shows how often a player reaches base through hits, walks, or being hit by a pitch. The other part is slugging percentage, which measures how powerful a hitter is by calculating the total bases earned per at-bat. Think of on base percentage as a measure of a player's ability to get on base, which helps set up scoring chances. Slugging percentage, on the other hand, shows how much damage a hitter can do once they are on base. If you look at these stats separately, they tell different stories. A player might get on base a lot but not hit for much power, or they might hit for power but struggle to reach base consistently. Neither of these alone gives the full picture of a player's offensive value. By adding on base percentage and slugging percentage together, Ops combines these two important skills into one number. This makes it easier to see how well a player can both get on base and hit for power. Both skills are essential for scoring runs, which is the main goal of offense. Players who excel at both are often the most dangerous at the plate. Using Ops helps fans, analysts, and coaches compare players across different eras and teams. It is simple to calculate and understand, making it a popular choice. For example, a player with a high on-base percentage but low slugging might be a good table setter. Meanwhile, a player with high slugging but lower on-base might be a power hitter. Ops highlights players who do both well, like Babe Ruth or Ted Williams, who had career Ops numbers well above the average. This metric acts as a bridge between old-school stats like batting average and newer, more complex measures. It is not perfect because it does not account for base running or defensive skills, but it still offers a quick way to gauge a hitter's overall contribution. When comparing players from different times, Ops helps make those comparisons more straightforward. Adjustments like Ops Plus can refine these comparisons further by considering league and park factors. In the end, Ops combines these different but vital parts of hitting into one easy-to-understand number. It helps everyone see how good a player is at both reaching base and hitting for power. That is why it is such a useful tool in baseball analysis and history.